we have learned that the vector with a magnitude of 1 unit is called unit vector. The unit vector that is parallel to x-axis is called vector I. And the unit vector that is parallel to y-axis is called vector j. Look at this vector, vector AB. The horizontal vector is 4i. The vertical vector is 3j. And the magnitude of vector AB is 5 unit. What is the unit vector in the direction of vector AB? When we say the unit vector in the direction of unit AB, we refer to this. Vector with magnitude of 1 unit in the direction of AB. Again, this unit vector can be expressed in the horizontal vector I and the vertical vector of j. The magnitude of this horizontal vector is 4 divided by 5. And the magnitude of this vertical vector is 3 divided by 5. So we have 4 over 5 I and 3 over 5 j, where 5 is the magnitude of the vector. If we have vector 5i plus 12j, in this case, the magnitude is square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared, which is 13. Then, the unit vector in the direction of this vector is 5 over 13i plus 12 over 13j. So in general, if we have vector r, xi plus yj, then the unit vector for vector r is x over magnitude of vector r, I, plus y over magnitude of r, j. Now we have just learned that the magnitude of a vector can be expressed as square root x squared plus y squared. So the unit vector can be expressed as this. Given point P, -4, 7, find the unit vector in the direction of vector OP. Express your answer in the form of A, component I and j, B, column vector. Vector OP, when expressed in terms of component I and j, will be -4i plus 7j. And the magnitude of vector OP is square root -4 squared plus 7 squared, which is 8.1. So the unit vector is -4 over 8.1i plus 7 over 8.1j. In column vector, it is 1 over 8.1 times column vector -4, 7. And we get this. Determine if the following vector is a unit vector. Unit vector is a vector with a magnitude of 1. If this one is a unit vector, Then the square root of this 2 over 3 square plus square root 7 over 3 square must equal 1. Let us see. Square root of this 2 over 3 square plus square root 7 over 3 square we get square root 11 over 9, which is not 1. So this is not a unit vector. Given negative 1 over square root 3 I plus kj is a unit vector. Find the value of k. Now we need to remember that a unit vector has a magnitude of 1. So the square root of this negative 1 over square root 3 square plus k square must equal 1. To solve for k, we square both sides. And we get k equal square root 2 over 3.